Here's a question from the LCM GCF program. This is level 3. Find the GCF of 924, 770, and 1540. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a prime factor tree of 924. So I looked at it as 77 times 12. I noticed that both 3 and 4 went into 924 using my divisibility rules. So I knew that 12 went into this, so I divided 924 by 12 and got 77. So 77 is 11 times 7, 12 is 2 times 6. Then I'm going to, 11 and 7 don't divide any further, so I'm going to leave the 11 and 7 alone. The 6 becomes 2 times 3, and I just bring that 2 down. Then I'm going to do the prime factor tree for 770. I'm going to do 77 times 10. Now 77 we already know is 11 times 7, and 10 is 2 times 5, so 11 times 7 times 2 times 5. Then the 1540 is going to be 154 times 10. Now 154, if you add the 1 and the 4, you get 5, and then subtract what's left, which is 5, in the middle, you end up with 0. So 11 goes into 0, so 11 goes into 154. Okay. Also, for 3-digit numbers, you notice that the first and last digit adds up to the middle digit, and that always happens if it's divisible by 11. So it's 11 times 14. So I'm going to rewrite that as 11 times 14, and the 10 is 2 times 5. 14 is just 2 times 7. Everything else is prime. So I bring down the 2 times 7, bring down the 11, bring down the 2, bring down the 5. So these are your prime factor trees. Now notice that we have an 11 common in each prime factor tree, so I'm going to circle the 11. Then for the 7s, we have 3 7s common. And then for the 2s, we have a 2 here, we have a 2 here, we have a 2 here, and that's it. Okay, if you notice, we have an extra 2 here in the first factor tree, and but in the second one we don't have an extra 2, so we can't circle it. It's not common to all 3. So the greatest common factor is going to be obtained when we multiply what's been circled in the first tree. So it's 11 times 7 times 2, which is 77 times 2, which is 144. No, 154. All right, and that's it. Have a good night.